Welcome to our guide on keto bread for beginners. Finding the right keto bread recipes can be a challenge for those new to the ketogenic diet. This diet emphasizes low-carb, high-fat foods to encourage the body to enter a state called ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. Traditional bread, rich in carbs, disrupts this process, making it unsuitable for keto followers. Today, we'll dive into some delicious and easy-to-make keto bread recipes that maintain the dietary restrictions necessary to sustain ketosis while still enjoying bread-like meals. Today we're focusing on one of the most popular keto-friendly breads, almond flour bread. Let's begin with the essentials you'll need: almond flour, eggs, baking powder, and salt. Our step-by-step guide ensures the baking process is as straightforward as possible. Almond flour, as the main ingredient, is a fantastic choice for those on a ketogenic diet. It's not only low in carbohydrates but also high in healthy fats and fiber, which helps maintain ketosis. Using almond flour means you don't have to sacrifice taste or texture while keeping your body in a fat-burning state. Switching our focus to another excellent keto alternative, coconut flour bread offers distinct texture and flavor characteristics different from almond flour bread. Coconut flour is highly absorbent, requiring more liquid ingredients to prevent the bread from becoming too dry. This results in a softer texture and a mildly sweet, coconut-like flavor, distinguishing it from the nuttier taste of almond bread. When baking with coconut flour, remember to mix your batter thoroughly to avoid clumps and ensure even hydration, vital for achieving the perfect loaf. This bread is not only delicious but also keeps you well within your carb limit. Dive into the world of delicious keto cheesy garlic bread, a low-carb delight that doesn't compromise on taste. In this recipe, choosing the right cheese is crucial, not only for flavor but also for health benefits. Opt for cheeses that are high in fat but low in carbs, such as mozzarella or cheddar, to keep it keto-friendly. The secret to mimicking the classic garlic bread flavor lies in using garlic powder or freshly minced garlic, blended well within the mixture. This ensures you get that beloved garlic taste in every bite, all while maintaining your carb-conscious diet. As we wrap up our keto bread journey, remember the importance of choosing the right ingredients, like high-fat, low-carb flours and cheeses, to ensure your bread aligns with ketogenic guidelines. Experimenting with ingredients like flax seeds or psyllium husk can also enhance fiber content and texture. For storage, most keto breads can be kept at room temperature for a few days, or frozen for longer shelf life. Always let the bread cool completely before storing to retain its best qualities. Embrace these tips and enjoy the variety and satisfaction of homemade keto bread without compromising your dietary goals.